Hi everyone! Welcome to the channel Handmade. In this video, I'll show you how I made this BMW M5 F90 from plasticine clay. Actually, I've used both plasticine clay and hard NSP plastiline for its creation. That's how it looks without paint. First, I applied a layer of primer and then painted it with white Tamiya spray paint. After the touch-up, I finished the work on the car and installed the windows and the wheels. That's my result. This car was handmade of plasticine clay. Do you like this kind of creativity? If you do, then like the video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss new videos about plasticine cars. It took me 114 hours and 12 days to create this car. It's the longest project I've ever made, and also it has the best detailed quality so far. I get my inspiration from the video game Forza Horizon 4 and the mobile app Formacar. The interior is white and black as the car itself. It's very beautiful colors to match. Also, I detailed the bottom quite well, using this video where the scale model of BMW is shown. Now let's look at the engine. Of course, it is also detailed well. It was very easy to do it with Forza Horizon, where I could take a look at the BMW engine. It is a 1/24th scale model car. Its weight is approximately 1.1 pounds. Now I'm going to show you the process of creation step by step. If you are still here, then you are really interested in all this. Let me tell you about some other elements I used to create this car. I used foil. I stuck it very tightly to the plasticine clay. It helps it to keep the desired shape and makes it stable. There is foil on the bottom, door elements, hood, trunk, and roof. Thanks to this, the plasticine clay doesn't sag. Also, to make it more realistic, I printed out the BMW logos, brake discs, and license plates. I hope this video was interesting for you. So if you like my unusual plasticine creativity, subscribe to my channel and like the video. I will hone my craft to please you with the new, improved plasticine cars. Thanks for watching my video. See you!